Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today I'm going to be sharing Twinkl Move. Log on to twinkl.com.au, then under Resources, under Ultimate, click on Twinkl Move. Once the main page opens, click on Australian Curriculum. Twinkl Move is a teaching package that offers complete programs and units of work based on the physical education curriculum. There are units of work from Year 1 to Year 6. Year 1 to Year 6 have units of work that include PowerPoints, lesson plans, posters, assessment packs, and so much more. Make sure you come back and check regularly to see new resources added. Today, I'd like to show you one of our lesson plans from the Year 3 curriculum. Click on Year 3. Now you'll see a whole unit pack that includes all of the resources that you need. However, you can also download each lesson individually. I will click on Lesson 1, Movement, and click Download to download all the resources. Your lesson pack includes your lesson plan with the Australian curriculum, your aims, success criteria, the resources that you need, any preparation that is required. You have your learning sequence, whole class activities, independent activities. You can find all the resources that is required in the pack. You have warm-up cards, a PowerPoint, videos, and also your success criteria for your assessment at the end of your lesson. You can even find home learning tasks to encourage your students to continue practicing their skills at home. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for more Twinkl Tips.